Alright guys, let's find out what's in this box. I received it last week after I have a little bit interaction with a Sunoco fuel, and I think they have something to do with this, but I'm not for sure if that's what it is, because there is no label anywhere to indicate where this stuff came from. Sorry, and whatnot. But let's open it up and see what it is. Like I said, I have no idea. It could be, but I'm almost certain that it's from Sunoco fuel. Yeah, let's find out what it is. Oh, this is empty. I don't think it's anything in here. And look, somebody sent me an empty box. But looky what we got here. Oh my goodness. Look at that. And also, I got an extra one. Oh well, thank you very much to Sunoco Fuels for hooking me up with this awesome jug. I think it's a 5 gallons, ain't it? Yep. And look at that, that's not a sticker. It is a sticker. It's a pretty nice looking fuel jug. I'm gonna put the link down in the description below if you guys wanna check it out and whatnot. It's brilliant. Thank you so much to Sunoco Racing Fuels for sending me this fuel jug. But by the way, beautiful day out. And the hellcat is lock and loaded with a Sunoco 260 GT fuel, full tank of gas. I have some few things to take care of, and later on we're gonna take it out for a drive and enjoy the beautiful day with it. Thank you, Sunoco, once again.